Yeah, so my name's Luke Holden. I'm the gym test and tag franchise for Wyong in New South Wales, and I've been doing this now for about 8 months. Before gyms, I was a fire sprinkler fitter by trade. I did that for 10 years, and yeah, long story short, I got let go from my position, and here I am now. Best thing I've ever done. It's been great, yeah, it has been really good. The help that you get from the gyms group and everyone around, it's unreal. It's great. So the biggest job that I've been doing so far, I've just recently done a K-12 school, and that had multiple different types of testing, your leakage testing, your RCD testing. I've done a lot of fire extinguisher testing, emergency exit light testing, so all those sorts of services that we can provide for the client. So your fire extinguisher testing is it's not recommended. It has to be done every 6 months, and that's constantly checking that the pressure of the extinguisher is correct. It's in date. The extinguisher canister is not damaged or anything like that, so it's safe for people to use if there is a fire. So all different types of things that can come down to, like you said, your extinguisher testing, your fire hose rules, your emergency and exit light safety, all those types of services that basically if there was a fire, all those things are ready and to go. So it's just basically doing a discharge test on your emergency exit lighting to make sure that it's running for the correct 90 minutes, and then making sure it's the right path for the exit is well lit up for people to get out if there was a fire. Yeah, so your RCD safety switch testing, so there's two types of testing you can do, where you do a push button test, and one where we actually make it trip via our tester. So it's ensured that you get those done every 12 months. So if there was a sudden jolt in electricity through an appliance, the RCD is going to trip, and no one's going to get injured if something does happen. Yeah, so there's all different obligations. So depending on the type of environment that the testing and tagging's been taken in. So you've got your tradesmen and your construction sites and things like that, which will be tested every 3 months. You've got your manufacturing companies and your engineering, that sort of stuff, which is basically every 6 months, and then you look at your offices and your small workplaces like that, it'll be every 12 monthly. I personally think every business should do it, because you've got an obligation to look after the safety of your employers, and that's one way that you can. It's making sure everything is electrically safe for them to use. Yeah. Look, just the real simple things like grinding down a 15 amp plug to make it a 10 amp, duct taping over your cables once they've been exposed, and that doesn't work. The duct tape's not going to save you if you touch that. So little things like that they're just a no-go. So yeah, 100%. Yeah, they just call the call centre on 131 546, and then we'll be happy to come out and give a free quote.